magandang gabi sa lahat. Okay, welcome back to the channel, and tonight we are going to do another fragrance review. Okay, so bago po tayo patuloy, I would just like to ask for our viewers to hit the subscribe and the like button, okay, to help the channel. And without further ado, so ang reviewing po natin for tonight is from the House of Creed. This one is called Spring Flower. Okay, you can see it. Okay, this is the bottle. So, presentation po, I no longer have the box for this one. Unfortunately, natapon ko na siya. But the bottle is quite okay, solid siya. Glass, frosted, and of course, as you can see, it's pink with some gold accents. Pati yung cap niya is also gold. And there's like a purple, pink, parang design or feature doon sa pinakatapat sa pinakataas ng cork. Okay, the cap is actually golden. Okay, yung atomizer po nito, I'll show you. Okay, see it. Right, sana makuha. Okay, go. So yung atomizer po niya is pretty decent. So medyo malakas din siyang magbuga ng perfume. Alright. And then yung perfumer, the ones behind the creation of this fragrance, is Pierre Bourdon and of course Oliver Creed. Una po itong nilaunch noong 1996. Scent profile nito, it's fresh, fruity, and of course musky. Sa unang smell nyo po, what I get is yung fruity notes. There's apple, melon, and peach. But hindi ko siya napipick up ng individually. Maamoy mo lang siya na parang fruity, and yun yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng parang sort of like a fizzy effect. Okay. Then towards the middle part of this fragrance, ang naamoy ko na sa kanya, ang pinaka-prominent is jasmine. Although sabi may rose din daw ito, but I don't really get the rose, yung jasmine lang ang napipick up ko. And then, yung sa pinaka-dry down po nito, pag parang halos mag-skin scent na siya, doon siya nagiging musky. Okay, I don't know kung how your skin will react to it, kasi iba-iba naman po. But merong iba na nagreklamo kasi daw parang medyo maasim yung amoy, or medyo parang animalic yung dating. Okay. Must be from the jasmine though. Baka parang naging Indo yung amoy niya. Anyway, ito po leans more towards feminine kasi nga pati yung kulay ng bote is pink. Okay, but ako, I wear it. So kung di kayo bothered doon, wala namang problema. Okay. Performance-wise, this one has, I think, a fair longevity. Siguro moderate, pero upper end ng moderate. So mga 8 hours po siya sa balat ko. And then, sa damit, of course, mas matagal. Alright. Yung sillage naman ito, medyo makalat po itong pabango na to. When I spray it, dahil nasa baba yung kwarto ko, amoy siya hanggang sa taas ng bahay namin. Okay? My mother would always say na, hanggang dito na amoy kita. Okay, so, malayo yung kanyang scent trail. Malakas po yung projection for the first hour, and then gradually nag-fade siya hanggang sa maging skin scent na nga. Okay. So my thoughts on this one, would I recommend it? Well, if you like fresh floral fragrance, kung lalaki kayo and hindi naman kayo bothered doon sa, marketing ng pabango, then yeah, you might want to try it. But I will say na because this is from Creed, so medyo pricey po siya, but the smell is not in any way, I would say, unique. Okay. Meron kayong mabibili na medyo quite similar yung composition. So, yun, medyo magdadalawang isip ka lang sa presyo. Okay. But otherwise, para po sa akin, I love this one. So, kung mahilig kayo sa fruity floral fragrance na merong konting musk sa dulo, then this one, you might want to give it a try. Okay? And that's it for tonight. Maraming salamat po, and I'll see you guys next time.